Welcome back to our real estate reality series here in the country of Panama. Today we're taking you into one of my favorite residential neighborhoods in Panama City, Marbella, to explore a large unfurnished 3-bedroom apartment. For those of you who don't like extreme high-rise living, these types of apartments might be perfect for you. For example, this building only has 10 floors. In this video, we will showcase an unfurnished apartment in this building, show you the before and after pictures once the tenants moved in, accessibility, show you the neighborhood, and discuss the pros and cons of these types of buildings here in the city. This video is an example of what is possible in certain buildings and neighborhoods in Panama. This building is just an example. They do not have any other rentals available. Now, let's look at this massive unfurnished 3-bedroom apartment. Approaching the entrance, you'll find an armed guard posted next to the gate. It has a small waiting area next to the elevator and the stairs. This building does not have a pool or a gym, so you will need a gym membership if you want to work out. A pro for these types of buildings is that they're usually owner-occupied and quiet. You don't have as much foot traffic or elevator wait time. This 3-bedroom apartment takes up an entire floor of this building. Yup, you heard me correctly, the entire floor. It has 2 doors to enter, both of which have security gates before you can open up the actual doors. As I mentioned in the Costa Verde video, these gates are common in Panama and allow for cross ventilation. Please note that this apartment was under repair for a new tenant, so you'll see construction materials here and there. Next to the front door is a phone to the security desk and to buzz people in. This is a pro. Some other buildings require you to speak to the front desk to let people upstairs, or you might have to go downstairs to greet your guest if the staff stepped away from the front desk for a moment. To the right of the front door, we have a large laundry room, a full bath, and a small bedroom that is typically used for a nanny, a guest room, an office, or a playroom. Let's head on over to the humongous kitchen. Right before the kitchen, you'll have a walk-in pantry. The kitchen has a lot of natural light, its own AC unit, tons of cabinet and countertop space. Let's take a look at the kitchen from the dining room area, just for another perspective. The dining room is large and it has its own AC unit. If you like entertaining or have a large family, the kitchen and the dining room space is a perfect size to accommodate groups of people. I like how the doors let in the natural light. It really just opens up the space. I'm just showing you the front door here for reference. Now we're heading to the half bath. The next room is a media room, or it can be whatever you want it to be, a playroom, an office, etc. I want you to pay attention to the wall to see what's hiding behind it, which we'll show you later on in the video. What do you think was there when they knocked the wall down? Behind that wall was the rest of the balcony with the doors intact. Oh my gosh, why would they cover that up? It's gorgeous. Okay, again, the door has window panes to let in the light. Next is the living room. Look at all of the natural light from the large balcony. Can you tell that I like natural light? This balcony is just as massive as the apartment and receives great breezes. You'll find several balconies here in Panama that have netting as bird deterrents or safety precautions for kids. This balcony has a bar area as well. Depending on your taste and what you like to look at, you may not like this style of housing if you like unobstructed views, but if it doesn't bother you, it can give you a lot to look at. Tee! We are now going to look at 3 bedrooms. The first bedroom has a wall of closet space and also has a walk-in closet in the bedroom. The bathroom has storage space under the sink and a window over the shower. The bedroom has 2 sets of windows, actually more. Some are hiding behind the storage space in the corner. These windows have netting around the ones that open up. One thing that I've noticed about most apartments in the city is that they don't have screens over the windows. The next bedroom is much larger. I love this door. So I know this said this is an unfurnished apartment, but as you can see, the owner does have some pieces of furniture here and there. For this being such a large bedroom, I would have expected a larger closet, but there is plenty of closet space in the hallway. Here is a bathroom with a nice vanity. The next bedroom is right next to this one. It has a nice sized walk-in closet with the window to the left, as well as one closet to the right. Next is the bathroom, which has a nice little nook in the shower to sit down on. This bedroom has a ton of natural light and more storage space and a place for a small TV. This is not an accessibility-friendly building if you're in a wheelchair. There are 2 steps and a handrail to enter the front door as well as from the garage. As I mentioned before, I love this neighborhood. It's so cute and it's so quiet. You can find several pharmacies, a mailbox, etc. for your packages, several fondas, and restaurants. You'll find banks, a fruit man on the corner, a fruity grocery store, Wild Wings, and several other eateries. A few blocks away, you can find 2 shopping centers. I hope you enjoyed this episode in our real estate reality series. Watch this one up next, and I'll see you in the next video. The world is yours. You just have to find your place in it.